Hey guys, my name is Paul. This is my 74 Nova. We'll be doing a series of videos on this car, including modifications, repairs, getting it ready for the track. We did sign up for Sick Week this summer. Last time it's been down the track was Drag Week 2015. So it's been some time. Since then, I did change the power plant, the combination, all kinds of stuff. So just been driving it all summer, enjoying it, car shows, whatnot. So welcome, enjoy. Hey guys, as you can see, I have a storage problem. 2-car garage. It's kind of tight. My wife does and needs to park her car inside. I don't have a problem with that, but my car becomes a shelf. And as you can see, it's already happening. It's still early in the winter, so I don't know where the stuff comes from. It's probably laziness because, I'm already doing it, throwing stuff on the hood. It's easy. It's very convenient. But I need to get rid of all this stuff. We're going to be putting the car up in the air, getting the exhaust, starter, everything that needs to be done to pull the engine out. The engine is new. I put it together last year, but it leaks oil. I think the oil pan is cracked. It's been slammed against the ground many times. Beaten out with a 2x4, so it's time to replace that, along with a bunch of other repairs we're going to be doing here. So Alright, we're underneath the car here, obviously. So the oil is coming from this area on this side. Gets everything over here, this boot, and it just coats the whole side here. It's either a timing chain cover, which I can't see behind the motor plate, oil pan at the rail, or it's cracked. But it's time to replace this pan. It's probably 15 plus years old. I love this Stuff's pan. It's been good to me. But I'm probably just gonna get a steel, cheap 7-quart pan. Because I'm gonna be upgrading the oil pump to a billet milling pump, which they're a little bit pricey. So I'll offset the cost with a steel pan. We'll undo those V-bands, starter will come down, torque converter bolts out, and bell housing bolts out. And then we'll pop the hood up and start working on the top end. This bag lives in the trunk of this car. It's compact. Undo this, and it's pretty much all the tools I need. Everything does a particular item on this car. I generally just work out of this bag, and if there's something I need, I just add it. I keep it in the trunk. Gives me a little bit more confidence when I drive around. Good for drag and drives, whatnot, so you don't carry a big bulky toolbox. So we'll see how this works out. Well, this thing didn't work. Either this cord is too thin or something. It just made the starter hum. Anyways, I had to do it manually. I have one bolt left. Another thing I want to do is converter. I have to shim them 3/16 because I added a mid plate. So the converter will be sent out and shinned up or whatever needs to be done. Alright, so converter's loose. V-bands. Everything's early, nice and easy. And slippery. Alright, one pipe. I have these are 36-inch Panduit straps. I am into the HVAC world, so I have plenty of these laying around. I only just hook it up to the frame and let them hang. Like a giant zip tie. Like so. So I'm gonna put this strap up first. Sorry, boys, you got that PRI. Your PRI flu, whatever. Okay, the back is not in my bag. I should put it in my truck. Okay. Hey, one starter. Can tell you what it is, a mini starter. Hey guys, this is my wife Sara. She's going to be helping me take the hood off so we can start working on the engine.
Hello everybody.
A little history. I've had this car since 91. I believe I was 17. The car was 17 at the time.
Maybe 16.
And we went to high school in this car. I used to pick her up early in the morning and go to school. So we've had it forever. It's part of the family. We did a lot of street racing in this car, late nights. It's just been part of us. So you'll see Sara here and there pop in, help give me a hand and whatnot. And also we have 6 summer coming up, so we'll do a day-by-day type thing with that as well. So let's pop the hood off. little bit up. You don't want to go down like that. Alright, that's the last bolt. Hold on to it. This. Right, you got it?
Yep.
Get rid of there and slide it with the pad. Yeah. Ta-da! Okay, stop. Alright, there you go. If you guys haven't guessed it already, it is a small block Chevy. The block is a Dart little M, 410 cubic inch. It is a F1X Procharger, non-intercooled, E85. It is fuel injected. Holley electronics. The heads are out of the box AFR 245s. My buddy Joe made some headers for us, 2¼ inch to 4-inch stainless steel, and we're gonna get this out, pull it out, and I think I'm going to leave the headers in the car. Passenger side comes right out, that's not a problem, but the driver's side, I have the steering linkage that goes in there, so I might just unbolt this header and push it to the side with a bungee cord, and then this engine should come right out. Bell housing bolts are already done, converter, starters out. So we'll start with the radiator, which I drained it already, and it should come out pretty easy. Hang tight. Okay, got an impact this time. Hey guys, this is a 5-core brass, radiator. I made this about 20 years ago. Well, I didn't make it, but I had a shop make it. Big tank ends and a 5-core radiator. Never had a problem with it. 20 years old. Also, this fan, I don't know if you guys heard of Super Shops. It used to be a speed shop near Chicago. I don't know if it was nationwide or not, but this is probably 25 years old. Never had a problem. 16 volts.
job.
The last thing that's going to come off is the Procharger. I think it's going to be cumbersome and front heavy with it on, so it doesn't take very much to take it off. So out it goes. Alright, as you can see, we struggled really hard to get this out. The flywheel did get stuck on the bell housing. Most likely it's because of the long dowel rods I have in the block. But it does finally pop out. So bear with us.
Pump?
Go ahead, pump.
I
Go ahead, pump up.
don't think that was good, Henry. I think the whole transmission should be coming out. We're not doing that. That's why I'm wondering. What? Hold it, mother.
Okay, give it a pull. Pull it out. Keep going.
Oh, it's gonna hit the
Okay,
thing.
out.
I already have a disclaimer. I'm not responsible for anything that's broken, so this is gonna hit that.
Well, that's good. Okay.
for the day. Broke something. Not kidding.
Pull it out a little bit.
Oh, see, I was thinking we're pulling out transmission too. All one piece.
Just a halfway. I know that. Pump it up a little bit. Is it gonna flare?
Yeah. Get it out now.
Don't go on a little bit. Pump it up a little bit. Is it gonna flare?
Yeah. Get it out now.
Don't go on a little bit.
Alright guys, the engine finally came out, gave us a little fight, a little struggle. The flywheel was hanging up, most likely because of these dowel rods on here. They are the longer ones, just because I had a 4-speed in the car at one time. I'll probably change those out, but it's out. The next video will be getting the parts, oil pan, oil pump, probably intake gaskets. I'll redo that because obviously I tried fixing a leak, just reseal it better, and go from there. The engine bay, really pretty much all set. I think I'm going to cut this off. This is where the old motor mounts used to mount. That will make the passenger header come out a little bit easier with that not being there. So we'll do that. So hang tight, coming soon. Parts are ordered.